Hi friends, another question RAC questions. The question is an aircraft refrigeration plant has to handle a cabin load of 25 ton. The atmospheric temperature is 16 degrees Celsius. The atmospheric air is compressed to a pressure of 0.96 bar and a temperature of 29 degrees Celsius due to ram action. So this is a little bit questions you see on the screen. The given question is what Q equals to 25 ton. Here Q is given 25 ton and T1 temperature you see here. This is T1 temperature, this is T5 temperature, and this is T5 dash. Here T6, here T4, T3 and T3 dash. So what is here? 0.9 bar, 1 bar and 4.8 bar. So given question is what? T1 is given as 16 degrees Celsius, and if you convert it in Kelvin, because this is Kelvin and entropy, sorry, temperature and entropy diagram, and temperature taken as Kelvin and entropy taken in kilojoule per kg Kelvin. So you converted in Kelvin, then you add 273, it will become 289 Kelvin. P2 is given also here, P2.9, 0.96 bar. T2 is given 29 degrees Celsius, and after converting Kelvin you add 273, then 302 Kelvin. P3 equals to P3 dash. You see here P3 dash and P3. It will what? And also 4 P4. P4 also P4, because this is a constant pressure line. So P4 equals to what? 4.8 bar. T4 is given 66 degrees Celsius, and you add 273 to convert 339 in Kelvin. And what? So here P5 equals to P5 dash. You see here P5 dash, because constant pressure line, equals to what? It will given 1 bar. T6 equals to what? 26 plus 273, it will become 299 in Kelvin. Efficiency is also given. Efficiency is equals to compressor and turbine efficiency is given 0.9. You see in questions. Cp is also given 1.0005 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Gamma of air value 1.4, gamma value 1.4 given for air. So this is all given data, and this is figure related to questions you on the screen. So what is question? Question is, first question, the mass of air circulated per minute we find out, and second question, COP of this system. So you see compression efficiency is given 0.9, and you know NC, that means efficiency of compressor is what? Isentropic increase in temperature divided by actual increase in temperature. See friend, efficiency, compressor efficiency is equals to what? Entropy increase in temperature divided by actual increase in temperature. So you see here T3 minus T2 divided by T3 dash minus T2 equals to 0.9. Efficiency is given, you put value, then you find out what? 478.4 minus 302 divided by T3 dash minus 302, and if you find out T3 dash, then it will what? 498 Kelvin. You find out T3 dash. This is T3 dash find out from efficiency, compressor efficiency. Now for isentropic expansion process from 4 to 5, from 4 to 5, this is given what? T4 divided by T5 equals to what? P4 divided by P5 gamma minus 1 divided by gamma. So you put all value, you find 4.8 divided by 1, 1.4 minus 1 divided by 1.4. After calculation you find out 1.565. Then T5 equals to what? It will become 216.6 Kelvin. T4 value is given 339. You put here and directly find out this T5 value. So you see in question, efficiency of turbine is also given, isentropic efficiency of turbine is given. So what is this? Efficiency of turbine equals to increase, turbine efficiency equals to what? Actual increase in temperature divided by isentropic increase in temperature. So T4 minus T5 dash divided by T4 minus T5, also it is given 0.9. So after calculation 339 minus T5 dash divided by 339 minus 216.6, then you find out T5 dash. T5 dash you find 228.8 Kelvin. You put T4 value, T5 values, all value is given. So you find out T5 dash. So the first question is what? It find out mass of air circulated for minute. We find out in minute. So MA equals to what? 14,000 Q divided by CP. T6 minus T5 dash kg per hour. So 14,000 Q is value 25 divided by Cp also given 1.005. T6 299 minus T5 dash 228.8, and after calculation you got 4960.95 kg per hour, but we find out in minutes. So what? 4960.95 and it converted in minute, then you find out what? After dividing 60 you got 82.765 kg per minute. So this is your answer of first questions. So second question is COP equals to 14,000 Q divided by MSCP T3 dash minus T2. So you all value put here and then got this. COP is equals to what? This.